All right. Right. So with this section, we try to enter the values we have for our grid system. So you're working with the Cartesian grid system, and then from the data we have I direction to be 13, and then J direction 1, 4, and then our Y direction is 6. With the block width, I would have to just copy the values from here and then paste it in there. That's for the X direction, the width of the blocks in the X direction. And this is for the width of the blocks in the Y direction. All right. Now we have to include properties for our layers and for the whole grid system. So the distance of our reservoir from the subsurface is 3,200. We have that in here. And then we have thickness in the Z direction to be different for each layer. So for the first one, we have 10. The second one is 1, 2, 1, 4, 0, 13, and then 8. Then you key in values for porosity as well. Right. We also have data for the permeability in the I direction. So that's 100, 300, 1000, 50, 200, and then 20. All right, so for permeability in the J direction, we are told it is equal to the permeability in the Y direction. So we right click here, go to equals I, leave this as it is because the permeability in the J direction is equal to permeability in the I direction. And we click OK. And we are told that the permeability in the K direction is 0.5 of the permeability in the I direction. So we right click on equals I, and then we multiply this by 0.15. So that's what we have for now. We click OK, and then we let the simulator do its own work. It distributes the properties based on the mathematics we discussed in class. Right, so we need information for rock compressibility, and you would find that in the sample file as well. And then reference pressure 1379, 1379. And we click OK. So we have the reservoir sorted out. Now with the components, we didn't want to use correlations. So we chose the last one. That's none of the above. And then we had to put in the data we've been given. So we are working with the black oil model. That's what we have for now. And then let's head over to the PVT region. We have information for this, but then it's in the document online. So we'll have to copy and paste the data we have there into a notepad, and then transfer that data to Excel, then copy and paste here. So I have mine here. I'll try to open Excel. Right, so I have it here. And then let me go to data from text or CSV. Right, so I have my PVT. Okay, so everything has been placed in columns. So all I have to do now is to just copy and paste them into the PVT section. So you can just right click, just left click once here and then Control V. Then you hit enter several times. Okay, so we have our data here. So we click OK. And we still need to include one or two info in here. Yeah. So we have the reservoir temperature. We had that to be 200 C. And we're given the oil density. Oil density is 830. We have, so we've been given gas density. So don't choose gas gravity. Change this to gas density. And the density we're given is 1.33. We have density of the water, and it is 1153. 1153. We have information for CVO. Let me just copy and paste those in here. Of CVO, we have, well, that's CO. I'd have to paste it here, CVO. And then, okay, CO is in there. What else do we have? We have the formation volume factor for water, the 1.01. We have compressibility. I'll be copying and pasting that as well. And then the reference pressure is 102. Within WI is 1.29. And this is 0. So we click apply. Okay. So, okay. All right. So let me try to figure out what we are missing. Okay. So still missing data somewhere. Oh, all right. So water density 1153. Okay. Another missing information here, which is the formation volume factor of water. I'm sure I entered that, but then it's missing for some reasons. Okay, so we have a check sign here. We are done with the component section.